All right, so where to go from here? You have learned the basics of JavaScript and you have learned the major components. Now you are ready to start practicing. Nothing is gonna beat practice. You're gonna have to practice now. But the first thing that I want you to do is actually know where to get information when you need it. So let me show you the best place where you can get information about JavaScript from the owners, from the people that manage JavaScript. All right, this is where you're gonna go. So let's say, for example, let's look at it. Let's Mozilla developer. What you want to do is developer JavaScript, right? You want to search for these three keywords. When you click on it, you're gonna get this website here, developer.mozilla.org. And you know Mozilla, you know that they are the ones from that create Firefox, right? And we use Firefox for a lot of things, but well, not for a lot of things. It's our web browser, which is right here. Let's click on it. All right, and here you're gonna find all the information about JavaScript that you can imagine. They are the ones that maintain the language and create different stuff all the time. So let's say, for example, I want to learn. Let's just click on this button here, and I want to learn about expressions. We go here in operators, and we click. Let's click on functions, and then it's gonna let us know everything about functions. I mean, basically, they give you tutorials on this stuff. It's really great because they are the ones that create the language and they give you the best format and the right way of actually writing it. It's a whole bunch of code online that are not very good. A lot of people write a lot of things that are not right. And if you learn from the wrong place, you're going to become a bad developer. You want to learn from the right places. And the people that maintain the language is the best place to go to get information. JavaScript is really powerful. This is not just a simple language. This is a full-fledged programming language that pays a lot, and it pays to know the skills. All right, so make sure that you come here when you want to learn something and just come and learn it, copy the code and put it in your code editor and play around with it. Like I said before, nothing else is gonna beat practice. All right, you can watch all the tutorials in the world, but if you don't touch that mouse to make the code, to write the code, if you don't touch that keyboard and write the code and play around with it, you will never become good. Don't just watch the tutorials. Don't watch just the videos. Do it. Take your time and do it little by little. And if you don't understand it, do it 100 times until you do that. But don't skip a step and when you don't understand something. Make sure that you do understand it before you jump into the next. Make sure you get your functions, your loops, your arrays, your variables. Make sure you understand them very good. Once you understand that, then you can go ahead and jump into the other things. Make sure you do a lot of different functions with different functionalities, a lot of different loops, and play around with it. Look for it online. Look for different functions. So come here and search for things. All right. So, anyways, thank you so much. Again, I hope I was able to give you a value for your time, and I was able to give you some information that was valuable to you. Teaching you was a really great experience for me. And if you do have any questions, open a discussions. Let me know how am I doing. All right, before leaving any review. If you don't think this is a 5-star course, let me know. Let me fix it. And when I fix it, then you can give me a review. But anyway, I want to thank you for your time. And hopefully, I'll see you in the future in a developer conference. Take care.